This is multiplying binomials, and it seems very simple. I really think that you're going to like this. Most students do. Multiplying binomials. When multiplying binomial numbers with the same base, possibly different exponents, just add the exponents. Well, what do I mean? Let's just jump right into it very simply. For example, 1. Let's say I have 5 squared times 5 raised to the 4th power. Well, they have the same base. What's our base number? The base number, when I say base, I'm talking about the 5 and the 5. We have the same base of 5, and what are the exponents? In other words, what's the base number raised to? The base 5 is raised to the 2nd power. The base 4 is raised to the 4th power. So, when we have it multiplying by the same base, we just add their exponents. So, here we are. That means it's really just 5, or the base number 5, raised to the 2 plus 4 power, or 5 raised to the 6th power. And 5 raised to the 6th power, we should know, is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, in other words, times 6 times, which will equal 15,625. Let's try another one. So when we multiply with the same base, again, remember we're just going to add the exponents. So here's the next one. Let's suppose I have 7 cubed times 7 to the 6th, or 7 to the 3rd power times 7 to the 6th power. Remember, the base is 7, and the exponents are 3 and 6. We have the same base, so we just multiply by the same, add the exponents, excuse me. So that's going to be 7 raised to the 3 plus 6 power, which is 7 raised to the 9th power. In other words, it's 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, 9 times, which is 40,353,607. Let's try another one. For example, 3, let's suppose I have a to the 9th raised, a to the 9 times a to the 12. So our base is the letter A. It's no longer a number. Our base is A raised to the 9 and 12th power. So you do the same exact thing. So it's going to be A raised to the 9 plus 12 power, or A to the 21st power. And that is going to be your answer. There's nothing further to do. So it's A to the 21st power. Example number 4. Let's suppose I have the base 3 raised to the negative 4th power times 3 to the raised to the 5th power. Well, how do we do this? The base again is 3. So that's really just going to be 3 raised to the negative 4 plus 5 power. And that's going to be 3 to the 1st power. We know any number raised to the 1st power is just itself. So 3 to the 1st power is 3. Let's look at example number 5. Let's suppose I have m to the negative 5th power times m squared. Well, what's our base? It's m. Remember, if they have the same base, we just add the exponents. So this is just going to be m raised to the negative 5 plus 2, which is m raised to the negative 3. We do not like negative exponents. If I have m to the negative 3, I like it to go to the denominator. So that's going to be it's equal to 1 over m. Let me write it over here for you. That's going to be m to the negative 3rd equals 1 over m to the 3rd power. So we move this negative 3 to the denominator. It's going to be 1 over m cubed. 1 over m cubed. So whenever we have a negative exponent, we're going to put it in the denominator. 1 over whatever it is. Okay? I'm going to pause briefly right here.